Alright, what's up everybody? Today I'll be showing you guys how to make today I'll be showing you how to make why do I keep saying make? Today I don't want to be a YouTuber anymore. Today I'll be showing you guys how I edit my TikTok videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. Before we get into this video, make sure you check out my TikTok. The link will be in the description below. And let's just get straight into it. Okay, so I just made a new project on Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm gonna just drag my clip in here. Just drag it here to create a sequence. Obviously, you don't want it to be 1920 by 1080 because TikTok is usually meant for phones. So you go to sequence settings. You change the frame size to 80 or 1080 by 1920. It'll make the frame size be vertical instead of horizontal. After this, you could just press OK and press OK again. After that, I'll make this 1080 by 1920. How I like to format my videos is make 3 duplicates. In the bottom left, go to Effects, search up Camera Blur, put it on the video on the way bottom. After that, I usually go to Scale and make it as big as possible to cover the whole video format. After that, I click on the top video, drag it to my webcam, press on this Eclipse mask on the left side of the application, and then drag it to fit my face. Sometimes I'll have to make this middle video a little smaller to fit my webcam. For this, just adjust it to your needs, how you want it. And that's just the basic thing right there. Make sure that it's on the way left, so it starts right away. You can use this bottom slider to zoom in on the clips. Sometimes your video might be a little too loud to your liking, so you go to audio, you right click on the sound, you put audio gain, and then you minus just a little bit. I usually minus just like 5 or like 3. Sometimes I want to edit even more and zoom in on certain things. I'll unlink it so it doesn't mess up the audio. So I cut the middle clip where I want to zoom in, and then I cut the top part to drag it out because I usually don't want the face cam to be when I'm zooming in. And I just drag the right side wider so it zooms in on the screen.
Does anyone need this?
Yep. That.
Never mind.
And it goes right back to the normal clip. Sometimes I like to add subtitles on top of my clips. So I'll find the exact spot where I want to put it. I find the font and the color that I want the text to be, and then I just type what it said. I usually center the text right in the middle of the clip. I cut it where he stops talking, and then usually at the end of my videos, I like to put a little tag and then just plug my Twitch. Speaking of my Twitch, make sure you go follow it at twitch.tv/MARSEHLUS. The link will also be in the description. Make sure you check that out. When I like the video, I go to export. The best format for TikTok videos is using H.264. Have the preset to match source high bitrate. To make your video look as best as it could be, make sure you go to VBR 2pass in the bitrate settings under video. After you change it to VBR 2pass, change the maximum bitrate to 15. This will make your video look a lot nicer and clearer. Make sure you have use maximum render quality checked also. Make sure that you save this preset to TikTok for your other TikTok videos. Also make sure to click on the output name to make sure you're putting it in the right spot. After this, you could click export and just wait. After it's done exporting, go to TikTok and press upload video. Select the video to upload, go to where you put the clip, and you're done. Just caption it and then post it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you comment anything else that you would want for the next video, like and subscribe, and make sure to check out all the links in my description. Peace. I still have no idea what I'm doing.